Across every industry, there are new health and safety challenges to navigate when in person, and it can be difficult to get together safely. Salesforce Safety Cloud helps you create safer in-person experiences at scale, so everyone can feel more confident when getting together.
All right, we're back together again.
Attendees have a secure way to share their proof of COVID health status, like their proof of COVID test results or COVID vaccination. They can upload directly or connect to other digital health passes, like Clear or Smart Health Cards. You can get health status information from third parties as well, like COVID test results directly from a lab. Safety Cloud streamlines all this information into a single view, making it easier for you to collect and verify. Next steps are simpler too. Safety Cloud can help you automate routine processes, like mailing pre-event COVID testing kits or sending alerts to your team automatically. And you can keep everyone in the loop by connecting to your marketing activities. Once someone's health status has been verified, Safety Cloud sends a secure, multi-factor credential to grant access to your on-site locations. Manage all this health status information from one location and bring employees and customers together safely with Safety Cloud from Salesforce.